Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. We only have 2 phones after this left. It's been a long day already. So we got this package, which I'm going to cover up some of my stuff. You can see this package has been through some stuff that's already kind of ripped for us. So now I actually have one of these, but mine doesn't work. So I've been looking for one of these for a while now to either take parts off of or fix up. And as you can see, it is a Motorola Rizr Z3. Battery cover is stuck on there pretty good. It is an extremely bloated battery. It is have an AT&T SIM card in it, which I don't use AT&T, but it's nice to have. My Red Pocket SIM card will fit in there, and we'll be able to test it out. Let me grab this singular phone with a battery, and we'll test this out. Mine has a broken LCD, so hopefully this one isn't in too bad a shape. I don't see the lock here. I remember the Z6Ms have a lock on them. There we go. So this has a perfectly working LCD. The body is actually probably in worse shape than the one I have. The one I have is actually T-Mobile branded. It has I think a design on the back, and I think this is a little different up here. So this one looks like it has water damage as well. Pieces missing up here. Yeah, it's pretty rough. We got some paint wear. It's extremely sticky. Oh, it looks like it has a little damage to the LCD, sadly. But I guess better than the one I have where mine doesn't work at all, so. The N key barely works. Here's the D-pad. There we go. Barely works, but there it is. A little damage to the LCD, but still better than what I have, so we'll go ahead and get that one taken care of. It doesn't look like any accessories come in the box. Looks like we got a car charger. Genuine Motorola car charger, which we'll never use. Which is mini USB, and this is micro USB if I remember right. I could be wrong, actually. Oh, no, I was right. Okay. The cover's a little broken, which is always common on these Motorola phones. That's to be about it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.